In this video, I will share the most important element you need to start making $1,000 a day, every single day. Even more, this is the most important element or the thing you should start with. If you have it and you use it super awesome, keep using it. If you don't have it yet, then you should start today. Don't worry, I have all the solutions for you so you can start for free today. All the links are in the description and we're going to share everything for free, step by step. So even if you're a complete beginner and you have never made any money online, you can still make money. It doesn't matter where you are from. It doesn't matter where you live. All you need is your computer and your internet connection. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, your choice. Sounds good? Let's begin. Epic is free. And if you liked our video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contact. This way, not only you, but also your friends and family will learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast one, the fun way. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. This is how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of other people make money, and you can make money too. You should start today. All the links are in the description. Hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Let us start with today's money motivation. What you are looking at here is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and you can see $129,152.87. This is pretty exciting, right? This is a lot of money for a lot of people, but I can guarantee you this is not the most important number. The most important number in this screenshot are these numbers. These are the clicks on our affiliate links by our valuable visitors. These valued visitors found value in our contents like these videos and our website contents, etc. They liked our content, we built rapport, they found value in our content. This value built trust, and they happily clicked our links. They decided to purchase from us, and we made money. This is simple passive affiliate commission that anyone can earn from the comfort of their home. You ready for this? Let us begin. If you ask me to summarize what we do to make money online, the summary is we make videos. Using videos, we share simple information that our visitors and our customers are looking for. And using videos, we solve problems of the people who are ready to spend their money using their credit card, or they're already spending money using their credit card, because these are not broke people. They are serious about their lives and they know that they have to spend money in order to solve their problems. So by answering their questions and helping them with simple information, like the information are already out there on the internet, we build rapport, relationship, and trust with. And you have seen we make. But the bad news is it's not really easy to make videos using cameras and microphones and recording yourself, because it's exhausting. It takes a lot of time, energy to make videos like this. You can't make videos like this all day long, and that's why we solve this problem using our artificial intelligence software, Epic. Right now you are looking at Epic in your screen. Epic makes videos using image, links, and texts. With Epic, you don't need to write script. Just go to the text section, click the text generator, copy text from anywhere, from any website, paste it here, and click any of the buttons. The artificial intelligence of the software will rewrite the text for you. Take that text, go to the audio section, click the add button, and put the text here. Just click one button and your natural sounding voiceover is ready. But if you are comfortable with recording your own voice, go ahead, click this button and record your own voice. Or if you have a recorded voiceover or recorded sound anywhere, simply upload the file using this button. So there are multiple options. And finally, Epic allows you to make bite-sized videos using this section. It can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. Make a few sections, take a break, go do something, come back later and add more sections using this add new button. And whenever you are happy with your video, simply click the render button and the video will be ready in the background. And you will get an email notification when your video is ready. Download that video, upload it anywhere you want, and get customers. Especially YouTube and YouTube Shorts. Shorts is a new feature on YouTube. So YouTube is pushing their best to make shorts popular in order to compete with TikTok, Instagram. Just look at this. Millions of views on 1-minute videos. You can easily make these videos without using camera and microphone using Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description, start today. This is the page I was talking about. This is Facebook's sign up page. This page connects 2.93 billion people inside Facebook. If you look closely, this page has only 3 sections: a logo, a message saying connect with friends and the world around you on Facebook, and then something called a simple opt-in page. Here is another page. This page connects 100 million visitors per month. This is Udemy sign up. This is the sign up page for Quora. Quora has 600 million monthly users. You see the message just under Quora logo, a place to share knowledge and better understand the world. What I mean to say, all you need is an opt-in page. If you don't have an opt-in page, then you're definitely missing out. Even if you are making money online and you're not using opt-in page, you are definitely missing out. Because opt-in page looks boring, but it grabs the email or the phone numbers or both of your audience and your customers and allows you to connect with them using emails. And emails are so far the most opened messages, something that no one can avoid. Email is still considered as the most important communication system. Email marketing works the best. Not only these companies collect your email, after collecting they send you email with the information they have inside their website, because that's what you signed up. And once you are inside their website, not only you get their values, but also you are clicking their ads, buying their offers, and they are making money from your interaction. Before I tell you how I started, link in the description will give you free access to my software that turns any website or any PDF document into your opt-in page and your lead magnet that you can offer your subscribers for signing up. So you have absolutely no reason for not having an opt-in page and not starting an opt-in page today. Again, it's free to start. Go ahead, get it from the link in the description. And not only that, it generates more visitors, more subscribers, and more customers using reward for referral system. It's completely automatic and completely done for you inside the application, and it's free to start. Go ahead, grab it from the link in the description. Now, finally, you might be saying that you don't know how to write email or you don't have knowledge about email. All the important email tools you need in order to start today are also free. Links are in the description. Go grab it. So basically, you can make videos just like us using Epic. Epic is free to start. Link in the description. Go grab it. You must use opt-in page in your business. And if you don't have an opt-in page, it's free to start. Link in the description. This software will turn any website, any PDF document into your opt-in page, into lead magnet, and into automatic reward for referral traffic generation system. Now, how did I started? Back in 2010, many years ago. Well, here's the story. I bought 1000 PLR articles from someone, and then with an opt-in page, I offered 100 PLR article free, and I posted that in a forum. Back then it was called Warrior Forum. Warrior Forum is still there, but the old people are not there. After signing up, the subscribers got 100 PLR articles free. But also in the email I mentioned that I'm going to give them another 100 PLR articles free the next. So they opened the next day's email and they got 100 PLR articles free. And just like this, in every email I mentioned another free 100 PLR article are coming tomorrow. So I got my emails open every day, and every day I offered an affiliate offer with every email. All I did was copy the headline of the offer I'm promoting, just like this headline, and put a link, which is my affiliate link, in the email. And I made some sales. Yes, I got my money back. I reinvested that money to buy more traffic, more subscribers, got more sales over and over again. And that was the beginning of my 7-figure business. And every single day, I use the same strategy. I make valuable videos, helpful information, build trust, authority, rapport, and attract customers to my opt-in page, and I give away valuable, expensive stuff for free. They join my mailing list, they love my freebies, and definitely they love my offers. And you can see we are making money. And at the same time, we build relationship with our customers by continuously giving away videos and contents just like this. Yes, it takes a little time. So what? We have awesome softwares that help us make videos, softwares that turn any website, any PDF into opt-in page, lead magnet, and build list, drives traffic for us. And we have beautiful customers like you. As I told you before, Epic is free. This software Elite is free. To start, link in the description, go grab them. And if you liked our video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. This way, not only you, but also your friends and family will learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of other people make money, and you can make money too. You should start today. All the links are in the description. Hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.